linear is produced from the word line, so you get lines. Okay, so why don't we get this one done quickly? Something surprising is gonna happen here. It's a weird question, exceptional question, because what do you see when you stare at the equation and compare it to question number 2 you just solved? There is something quite different. There is no x. Is this gonna cause us trouble? Maybe. Let's see. Alright, how do we sketch this? I get a table first. Well, I need only 2 rows, right? But that's fine. So this is for x, and that's for y, and this is for the couple. I first choose 0 for x and compute y, and then I choose y for 0 for y and compute x. Let's enter 0 in x, but wait a minute, there is no x to enter. Then I will just copy the equation and solve it. Then there is no x to substitute, that's fine. So I will just get y isolated. Add 2, and we will get, when you add 2, negative 3y equals 2, and I divide both sides by negative 3. I will enter the right answer here. What's the y value you get? 2/3, negative 2/3, right?
Wouldn't that be 6?
Yes, it is. Thank you. That's 6/3 now. Thank you. That would be negative 2. Alright, next one. We enter 0 in y. There you go, and compute x, and negative 3 times 0 minus 2 equals 4. Wait a minute, there is nothing to solve here, right? Right? There is no x to solve. We expect to solve for x, and it just doesn't exist. It doesn't show up in the equation. Then what do? Just keep going. Let's see what happens. Minus 3 times 0. What is minus 3 times 0? Isn't it 0? And 0 minus 2 is minus 2. And you just got minus 2 equals 4. You just proven that. It's a new era in math. You should make it to news, because you have proven that 4 equals minus 2. Well, this is impossible, as you all know. So that means no x value to obtain here. It's impossible. I already knew it before even start, because there is no x. The x disappeared. X does not even exist, okay? So no x value means what? What do you interpret from this result? What do you obtain from here? You entered 0 in y, and you got nothing for y, for x. What do you usually get when you set y value into 0? When you set y into 0, what is physically obtained? A point, but what kind of a point? Intercept. That means no x-intercept. Isn't that weird? A straight line extends to infinity. It goes all the way somewhere else, and it never crosses x-axis. Can this happen? It never crosses x-axis. Can this happen? Imagine. It's something going up or down all the time, right? Straight lines are like this, correct? Aren't they like this one, or go up and down at different slopes? Sometimes very sharp, sometimes very slow. But don't they ever always cross x-axis? Do they always cross x-axis? And this problem says no, they don't always cross. This is a live example in front of your eyes. It does not. What kind of lines do not cross x-axis? Horizontal ones. Horizontal. it goes parallel to x-axis, never goes down or up, right? So I already know this is a horizontal line, but I just want to make sure, because I know I need 2 points. So far you have only one. I need to get another one. So if 0 is not working for y, what do you want to do? We just set another value either in x or y. Which set you want to set? I want to set in x. Set 1. Oh, I cannot set anything in x. No, that's bad move. No, it's not bad move. It's good move. You can set anything in x too. Sorry. You can set 1. Why? All you need to do is enter 1 in x, but where is x? X doesn't exist, so I cannot enter it. That means you need to resolve this one that we already did, right? Solve this. We already did it above, and you still get -2. So that means when you enter 1 into x, you will still get -2. What happens if you enter 2 in x? You cannot enter it, it doesn't exist. That means I will still get y equal -2 to -2. So I can create countless many points like this. But every time you enter an x value, you're gonna get -2. So let's graph this thing. I already know it's a horizontal line. Let's do it underneath this. Okay, first sketch 0, -2. 0, -2 is on y-axis because this is called y-intercept, and it's right here. That's 0, -2. Alright, I couldn't get anything here. Where is this 1, -2? Here is 1, here is -2. So when I meet these two, I get here, this one. Where is 2, -2? Here is 2, -2 is this one. If I continue, 3, -2, 4, -2, you get points like this. But you only need 2 of them. I have 6 of them. Do you see the horizontal line now? Here you go. Okay, you obtain a horizontal line, and as I promised, it has no x-intercept because it never touches x-axis. All right. We have how many x-intercepts? None. 1 y-intercept, and that y-intercept was 0, -2, and the graph is just a horizontal line